In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions or subtitles in Premiere Rush. Captions make your videos more accessible and easier to follow, and in Rush, you can build them right on your timeline using text titles. Start by moving your playhead to the point where the first spoken line begins. Open the title or text option to add a text overlay. This creates a text clip in your timeline and a text box in your preview. Click or tap the text box and drag it toward the bottom of the frame. That's the standard placement for subtitles because it stays close to the speaker while leaving the main action visible. Keep it inside the safe margins so it won't get cut off on different screens. Now type the first line of your captions. Try to keep it concise and readable. 1 or 2 short lines is ideal. Next, adjust how long that caption stays on screen. In the timeline, grab the edge of the text clip and drag it so it covers the exact span of dialogue for that line. If the line feels too quick to read, give it a little more time. If it lingers after the speaker moves on, trim it back. You can fine-tune this just like any video clip. When the next spoken line starts, split the text clip at that point and replace the text with your next subtitle. On desktop, use the split tool, the scissors icon, to make a clean cut. On mobile, use the split function the same way. After you split, click into the new clip's text and type the next line. Play it back to confirm the timing feels natural, and nudge the clip's start or end as needed. Keep working through your video in short sections. Listen, split at the change in dialogue, update the text, and adjust duration. This rhythm helps you stay accurate and keeps captions aligned to speech without big gaps or overlaps. Once you have a few captions in place, take a moment to standardize the look. Select a clean, legible font, set a comfortable size, and choose a high contrast color so the text is easy to read over your footage. A subtle shadow or background style can boost readability without being distracting. Make sure every caption sits in the same position and follows the same style. To stay consistent, you can duplicate a styled title clip and edit the text, or apply the same settings across your caption clips. When you reach the end, skim through and watch with sound on and off. Check timing, spelling, and consistency. With these simple steps, adding a title, positioning it at the bottom, extending it to match speech, splitting for each new line, repeating through the edit, and keeping formatting consistent, you'll have clear professional captions in Premiere Rush.